So right here at Pierce College, and I put together a quick event for them, help them with their grand opening. And Griffin brought his 5,000 to 6,000 horsepower 56 pickup truck he's had since he's 15. So it's over there if you can see it. I brought my little 54 straight 6. Probably has 10 horsepower. And there you go. Unbelievable. We got to get rolling because that thing will get hot fast.
Class at Pierce College, so you just drive the race truck right onto campus.
Probably the highest horsepower vehicle right here. Griffin's 56 Chevy truck he got when he was 15. It's a little noisy over here. So this is turbos. This is somewhere between 5,000 and 6,000 horsepower. 5,000 and 6,000 horsepower. Absolute insanity. Fire breathing dragon. A lot of people in the car will know Griffin. He's all over the place in all sorts of builds and racing and consulting, installs, YouTube, all that stuff. But great day out here, Pierce College. Just want to share what we do. We always bring cars to the community, support those that support us. And it's nice, you get everybody, right? This came in on a trailer. Huracan Evo Spider got driven in. This GT500 Shelby, very, very fast car. And that's the story. So, more to come. Tomorrow, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Day. It's gonna be huge. And another beautiful Saturday doing car stuff in California with the community.